Ever wondered where the tubes go at night? This is Upminster Depot, where on any one day approximately 10 to 15 trains are stabled here for cleaning, maintenance and 24-hour checks.
We're inside the maintenance shed where we carry out our maintenance at Upminster and casualty rectification. Our stock balance at Upminster is up to 47 trains that stable here at night. We have a train wash and the trains are programmed to go through that every 3 days. However, we will keep an eye on the outside of the trains to see if they are dirtier than they should be, and we will manually take the trains up on purpose to clean them at any one time. We litter pick every train when it stables back at the depot, which takes one person around 20 odd minutes to litter pick those trains. We would probably fill a 6-yard skip in about 2 days of newspapers that we litter pick off the train. It's almost like an MOT crossed with a service that we do here every 60 to 90 days, where we'll inspect the condition of the train as far as reasonably practical. We get loads of umbrellas, loads of walking sticks, but in general we don't tend to find a great deal.
That's all from us here at Time Out. Don't forget to find out more city secrets at Time Out London YouTube.